everyone, and welcome to our channel. My name is Theresa, and if you're new here, we would love it if you hit like, subscribe, and comment below, letting us know how you enjoyed this experience. Today, you will see us showing on your screen right now how to make homemade Easter chocolate eggs. We're gonna pour that melted chocolate into your molds, and we're going to move it so that you make sure that it's an even coat all around. And then we're gonna pop it in our refrigerator so that it can harden, and we'll be able to take it out and be able to fill it with whatever candies and deliciousness that you want. I hope you enjoyed that experience of making chocolate Easter eggs with me. I hope you get a chance to try it with yourself, or your family at home, and I really hope that you celebrate this Easter. It's a great time of the year to just be thankful for everything that we've been given, for our lives, for everything. And we appreciate you as our community. Please share this video. We would be so appreciative of that. And we'll see you at Buzz with Your Cuz this Thursday. Bye, guys. Oh wow, this is just... Wow, that's terrible. All right, since this is a blooper reel, this is what not to do. I tried doing candy shell. This one turned out okay. But that's why in the video, you'll see just plain chocolate and then where you decorated it, because this is what happened. It just kind of got stuck. See? Wah, wah, wah. Still tastes good. Cheers, guys. Be sure to check out Buzz with Your Cuz this Thursday.
Where a mistake is never made.
Where a mistake is never made, Cam said. Wow, that was just terrible. What a waste.